Okay, let's see if this works better.
15% or more.
How's this look? Let's see. It seems that aside from a little bit of stuttering, this should be okay. It seems that aside from a little bit. Okay. God, get this giant fucking ad out of here. Okay. Treat. Okay, I played a little bit of this game. I was trying to learn it. Yep. I was trying Lenny, which apparently is not a good idea. It'll be cats. Cats I. Alright, hold on. Let me look up. See how to do some of these moves. You know what I'm saying? Katsumi. Oh, she's got a lot of moves. Jeez. Jeez. Let's see here. Kasumi, special moves. We have the Guts or Throw. It's like a judo throw. That's pretty good. Shoot. Come on, Kasumi. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I like you, Kasumi. You're a nice lady. Oh, that's the parry. Okay. Let's see, what are some of the moves she got? Kasane, Ate, quarter circle forward, A. Alright. Oh, shit. Alright. No, come on with me. That's pretty neat. How much did it do? Oh my god, that does so much damage. I can just win now. What else we got? Raiho Ho, quarter circle back A. And those both use 25% spirit, I think it's called. Or desperation, which I think you can only do if they have low health or something like that. I don't know. Let me do my move. Let me do my move, Lenny. God damn it. I forgot Lenny has just the biggest reach you've ever seen. That's a good combo. Shit. Oh, it was just a dumb little slap. Oh god, just get me with that whip. I know all your fucking moves. Oh man, I'm getting my dick licked over here. Yeah. Gotcha, Lenny. What'd she say? Alright. Ah, yes, down the street. Alright. Oh, she's not even going around. Not even. Jeez. Come on. Oh, that's not fair. Fucking. Why is he dodging so far back? What is this? Fucking didn't know I was gonna get thrown. I was trying to parry. Alright, come on. Come on, Kasobi. Kasobi, get up. No, I was trying to throw you. What's my desperation move? Back. Full half circle back. I'm not gonna get that. God damn it. God damn. Boy, it's hard. Alright, Jin. Come on. It's funny. Oh, that's funny. Who should we play as next? Carmen looked neat. Oh, she's sad. Oh, let's try Carmen. I remember I almost lost to him when I played as Lenny. Oh no, don't put me against him now. Okay, let's see. Forward C is his dive drop, which he can use it whenever he wants. God, he's got some weird moves. Oh my god. His desperation move is... I can't even spell that. And it's just 2 full half circles back, and then C. God damn. Well, let's try his dive drop. Oh, it's just a throw. God damn it. Okay. Why did you make me fight Jin now? Alright, I need to stop being close to them when they're getting back up. Oh, fuck. Let's see if I can get his parry. Oh, I like him. It's very silly. I think that's his parry. Yeah. Okay, I'm getting it. I was... No, I was what? Oh, okay. This is a very silly game. Alright, fucking me. She's got better reach than I do. That's in poor taste. Oh shit. He's dead now. He's dead for real. She's dead, sorry. Oh shit. I'm paying attention. Wait, that's his counter? That's his parry? Oh, fuck, the forehead. Oh, shut up. Oh shit, I kept trying to do the punish. I agree, fighting man. Yes, still fit and young. Who are you talking about? He's talking about that guy in the background. I know. Oh shoot, I don't think I've fought him. Alright. Okay. Bye, Rhodey. Oh my god. Oh, he's got a little range attack. That's neat. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah. He wasn't doing the good knockdown move. Leave me alone, Rhodey. You can't bully me anymore. I talked to my guidance counselor. Oh, fuck, he just parried me. Parried the shit out of me. God damn it. Yeah. Stage 3 seems to be what I'm not gonna make it past. Don't get you little smug shit. Yeah. Carmen. Why you suck so much today? No, it's me. I'm the... Oh, shit, there's a guy with like the biggest move list. His name's Robert Garcia. I don't want to play as him. I want someone easy. Sinclair. Let's play Sinclair. I love that. I love this theme song. Sinclair. Sinclair cannot throw. She's got some... Shit, alright. What do we got? Can she parry? I would think she can parry. Let's get her to parry. Is that just what her parry is? Alright. I'm trying to parry, but she's just here to kill. Alright. So she doesn't throw? She doesn't parry, apparently. Alright. No, she can parry. Can she not punish, though? Oh, she can punish, okay. Oh, okay. shit. God, this frame rate is something else, let me tell you. I don't know if I like how Sinclair feels. She's... feels like Footsie the character, I don't know. What do you got to say? Yeah, alright. Oh, that's Robert Garcia. I'm into his looks so much. Come on. Yeah. I was waiting for that jump. The old high foot. Yeah, this frame rate is looking a little wonky. Can I show it? Am I just not allowed to stream anymore? Is it just that bad? Or is it just gonna mess up stuff? I don't know. No, shit. Well, she can talk. No. No, Sinclair, not like this. Sinclair, no. No! Robert, I'll make you pay. Oh shit. That's a good ass move. Oh shit. Yeah. I found the cheap move. Switchback sword, alright. Do you just not talk, Sinclair? Is that your thing? You just look like the cop guy. Oh fuck. That was a mistake. Oh no, he's just botting me. Oh my god. Stage 3. That's just where my limit is, I guess. Sinclair. Oh god, that's not good. Yeah. He got that. He got that spear. Oh. He's so giant. He's too tall. Goodbye, Sinclair. You're bad forever. Let's try. Who do we have? Let's try that cop guy. Rhodey Burtz. Alright. He looks like he has relatively simple inputs. I love her look though. It's so dumb. I love it. Alright, Rhodey. Let's try your hook throw. Oh, am I fucking... Shit. Come on, I'm trying to learn. Oh, see, I'm just frozen when I miss that. So that's not bad. It's my overswing. I have a slide kick. Uh-oh. KO. Whoa. You're ready for the pros. I am? I thought it was like them talking to them. No, no. Awesome. Off to a great start. Oh my god, he did that with like no input lag. Oh, he's gonna take a poop. Okay. Oh shit. Oh fuck, wrong button. I was hitting D. Oh, see now he does it. Yeah. I feel like Rhodey might be my guy. I gotta play with. Don't knock yourself up. I just love this rocking chair, dude. Oh, don't make me fight. Yeah. No, please let me beat one stage 3, please. Oh my god, alright. Let's try this. What the hell was that? Yes! Okay, Kasumi's not like a overly cheap character, she's just really solid. Finally. Hold on, I have to take a screenshot of this one. Oh, I wasn't fast enough. Oh well. My bad. Oh, no. Okay. That's how this is gonna go. Stop fucking... Stop it. He's too fast. Why is this getting so fast? This game's damn fast. God damn it. This is gonna be a bad time. God damn it. Alright. Why does he just have a Shoryuken? Come on. Like, at least be, like, obvious. Also, how's he fucking getting back up so fast? Damn it. Alright. You got me, Rio. No, you know what? Let's do it. Continue. Oh, fuck you. You can't do that. Oh, fuck. I dodged once. And I just did it twice, I guess. That taunt was worth it. Let me tell you. God, I'm so bad at these inputs. Come on. Come on, Rhodey. Do the fucking move, Rhodey. No. No, I parried. Come on. No, I got him in the corner. Got him in the corner. This is where I fucking... No! I'm so panicking. I hate this. No. Oh, fuck you. You have me facing the wrong way. God damn it. This game is hell. I think I'm good. It's agony. I would love to see like high level play of this game. I'm gonna close this out. I would love to. It's not a joke. Very much would love to. I mean, that's a good freeze frame. It froze frame when I closed it. What's another fighting game we can play? Give me a sec. Give me a sec. I could just play more Magical Drop. No, I really want to play fighting games right now. Oh, let's see. Could play the old Samurai Showdown. I've never played that. Street Hoop. Oh, here we go. My favorite. My favorite one. Make sure inputs are mapped right. They are not. Oh yeah, you heard me right. That's all we need. Okay, that should be good. Boy, this frame rate sure is technically something. Is there any way I can like... It's like blitter? How's that look? Well, it broke it, so not great. Let's try experimental. Yeah, alright. Oh, let me edit. Edit. Yeah. This is a fun one. No. Aku 7. People don't know about this fighting game, let me tell you. This is a good one. Alright, teach me, Rye. Let's kick, press COD. Yeah. Up. Pressing button for an additional attack. Oh, okay. Boy, they really love those punish moves. I love them. Oh, okay. You hit, press the R B button to guard yourself. Okay. How do I do like throws though? She looks cool. Now where's the girl that's like just a giant? I forgot about the fucking killer soundtrack. Just me and my dad. I thought there was like a girl in a giant mech. I'm thinking of a different game, I think. Oh, fuck, no! Boy, that is just some... Let me mess with the... I want something that's gonna not cause the, like... That's not gonna cause, like, the shadows to just go apeshit. Nope, that's not working. The direct draw ain't gonna work. I need direct 3D. Oh, that's... Okay. Yeah. Ah, shit. Let me keep monkeying with this real quick. What did that look like? Yeah, it's more 8-bit, I guess. Software, no. I don't want that. Stretch. Scan lines might actually help a bit. Just for me. Because I'll feel better. Oh my god. This is a child, dude. What the fuck? Oh, that's my super? I don't know what's happening. Alright, yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. How do you grab though? Yeah. I beat you, Rye. You're a dead person now. Yeah. What's that mean? I'm gonna see if I can Google how to fix the shadows. Let's see here. No. Doesn't seem to want to get fixed. Okay. That's fine. God, it's... Oh, he's got a cat too. That's how I did it. Oh my god. God damn. Yeah, those shatters are really bugging me. I don't think I've ever had it happen before. I'm hoping it's the game and not just like when I try to record. Because otherwise, that's not good. I don't know what that does. Not what I want. Oh. Let's see. Sharpen lightly. Let's try enable cubic filtering. No, still doing that. No. That's not a fair move. This music is not very indicative of fighting. Okay, let me see if I can find a combo list. Press down, down, 2P, 2K to perform Hara Hara attacks. Must use a full power bar. Okay. Well. Oh my god. That's not fair. Dandy J sucks. Wonder what they want. Say again? The police? No kidding. This is a fucking nightmare. Oh, right. Let's play. No, that's fine. I want to be Tessie. Tissay. God damn you, Dandy J. What is this? Oh, you can just fucking block shit. I'm the worst fighting game player ever. We're just gonna trade. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright. Let me look up some combos for her. See what I'm doing. Tissay. Tissay. Double palm. Push. Forward, backward, plus B. I think I did that. Double midair double palm push. Any direction but up. Plus B in midair. Oh, that's fine. Giant swing, forward, down, down, back, back. Oh, so half circle back plus D. Let's try it. Oh shit, alright. That's the palm push, alright. With a nurse mode. Oh god. Tisei, no. Can't do that. Found a girlfriend, a flying girl. I have to catch her and warn her. That doesn't make sense. Shit. Politics Z. Politics Z. Politics Z. See, that's the push. Shit. You can't do that. That's not cool. No, please, please stop. Oh, thank God. I hate this. God, those are a nightmare. You're different from me and you can give me a ride. This dialogue's phenomenal. Oh, no. God, she just feels like a sluggish doll seam. Shoot. Button sensitivity is not super great, but otherwise pretty fun. Oh fuck, that's the Doki Doki attack. See, I'll be mashing a certain button and it just won't do it. Oh fuck, I'm super bowed. Yeah, that's death. He got me. Was that second or final round? That was final round. Such a bad aftertaste. What is done is done. Oh, you killed the lady. Oh. Poor lady that died. Oh, name. Oh, fuck. I can't even fucking read that. Bam. Just in time. Sunsoofed. Made no sense I've made this. Collect all the Waku Waku balls. That makes sense. That checks out. I'll have to try the bunny lady at some point. I don't know what's going on there. I love it though. You're just an elf. Next time I do this, we'll have to play the big rabbit lady. Rye, you don't belong here. Get out of here. Get out of here, Rye. You're silly. You're a silly Billy. That's what you are. Okay. Well, that's a good stopping point for tonight, I think. Because my computer is just does not want to cooperate. So next time I do this, we'll do, get some other people. Hit me up on Fightcade. Play some Waku Waku. It's really good. I've got a bunch of other fighting games to try out. So don't you worry. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.